In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Excel data into TradingView. This can be a game changer for traders who want to harness the power of their data and leverage it for profitable trading decisions. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the step-by-step process together. Before we get started with the actual import process, let's take a moment to prepare your data for import. You'll want to ensure that your Excel file is formatted correctly. Make sure that your data is organized into a table format, with clear headers that describe what each column represents, such as date, time, open, high, low, close, and volume. This clear structure simplifies the import process and helps TradingView map your data correctly. If your data is scattered or unorganized, take the time now to clean it up. Trust me, this little bit of extra effort upfront will smooth the import process and save you from potential headaches down the road. Now that we have your data nice and tidy, it's time to save your Excel file in a compatible format. TradingView supports data in the CSV format, so you'll need to save your file as a CSV. Simply open your Excel file, click on File, then Save As, and choose CSV from the drop-down menu. Be sure to choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the file later. With your data formatted and saved as a CSV file, it's time to move on to the actual import process. Open TradingView and log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the main menu and locate the Chart section where you want to import your data. Look for the Open menu tab, often at the top left of the screen, and click on it. You should see an option for Import Data, which is exactly what we need. Click Import Data, and a window will pop up prompting you to select your CSV file. Next, find the CSV file you saved earlier on your computer and select it. TradingView should automatically recognize the columns if they are labeled correctly, but always double-check to ensure your data looks right. Once you're satisfied that everything is correctly aligned, click Open or Import and let TradingView work its magic. In just a moment, you should see your data represented visually on the chart. Lastly, take some time to familiarize yourself with the chart and make any adjustments necessary to reflect your trading strategy. Maybe you want to add indicators or customize the chart's appearance to suit your needs better. Remember, TradingView is a powerful platform offering robust tools for analyzing your data, so take advantage of that. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your Excel data into TradingView, opening up a whole new world of trading possibilities. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.